Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can merge text, image and shapes in Canva. So let's start the video guys. Okay, so here we are. This is my Canva. So let me put one shape here. So I just put this one. Okay, you can search shapes in elements. So you need to come here, share elements, and here in search bar you need to search the shapes. Now I need to put that image. I have image also, and let me write some text. Okay, just change that text color, the size also. I'm going to change the font. Okay, so now just resize your image first. Okay, like this. Okay, just resize. Okay, now just select that image and copy it, make a duplicate, select that duplicate and just remove the background of this image. Now we have, just keep your image on the same place like this. Okay, now we have this text. Okay, you can take any effects from here, like curve effect. Okay, and this is our shapes. Okay, so come to the position. So in first we have that background, without background image. Second we have text, then we have another our main image, and this is shapes. So if you want to make visible shape, then you need to keep at that positions, and you can place it where you want. You can also change that color. Okay, now here, now if you want to edit anything, you need to go in position, select that element. Okay, I need to customize this shape, so you need to select that shape. Then from here you can customize. If you want to change the text, select the text. You can change color, whatever you want. Okay, once you're done, just group it. Just select all elements like this and just group it. Now can able to resize it and move anywhere. Okay, now if you want to edit anything, you need to just double click on that elements. Okay, if I want to delete, okay, I want to, okay, so you need to just ungroup first, then go to the position, group, then ungroup. Okay, then go to the position here and select the elements. Now you can move it or change the, customize the color. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.